Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic distillation. So this is from the chapter Is Matter Around a Sphere. So watch the entire video lecture to gain basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic distillation from the chapter Is Matter Around a Sphere. So let's start. So let's start with the topic distillation. So separating a liquid from a solution. Okay, so simple distillation. What is simple distillation? Simple distillation is used to separate a pure solvent or liquid from a solution. So here we can separate a solvent, that is pure solvent or liquid, from a solution. Okay, so what is distillation or simple distillation? It is used to separate a pure solvent or liquid from a solution. Example, you can see extraction of water from seawater. So here we can see different examples like extraction of water from seawater. Okay, so we can extract water from seawater, as well as we can extraction of water from salt, that is sodium chloride solution. So you can extract water from sodium chloride salt solution, as well as we can extract water from sugar solution. So many examples you can see: extraction of water from a seawater, extraction of water from a salt, that is sodium chloride solution, or extraction of water from a sugar solution. So you can see separating a liquid from a solution. You can see the setting up of distillation apparatus is seen, is given. You can see the first one, you can see, is the thermometer placed. Okay, in the round bottom flask on one thermometer is placed. So thermometer bulb should be just beside the side arm leading to the condenser. Next is the boiling chips. Okay, so these boiling chips are placed in the flask to ensure smooth boiling. So these boiling chips are placed in the flask to ensure smooth boiling. Next you can see your volatile liquids. So volatile liquids can be kept in the liquid state. Okay, so volatile liquids can be kept in the liquid state by placing receiver on ice. Okay, so volatile liquids can be kept in the liquid state by placing receiver on ice. As well as you can see the fourth one, you can see water in and water out, the arrow is given. And next test tube, you can see the water enters. In that test tube you can see the slanting one, water enters the condenser from the bottom and leaves from the top. So from the bottom it enters, that is water in, and from the top it goes out, that is water out. Okay, so condenser must be sloping downwards. So this condenser has to be sloped downwards. So you can see here the thermometer is there, boiling chips are there, volatile liquids are there, as well as the condensers are there, and it has to be, this condenser must be sloping downwards. So simple distillation of salt solution is shown here. So first one, you can see the boiling chips are added. Okay, so the first one is, you can see the boiling chips are added to ensure smooth boiling. So boiling chips are added to ensure smooth boiling. Then water vaporizes. Okay, so the water vaporizes, rises and enters the condenser. So water vaporizes, rises and enters the condenser. Second one, you can see the thermometer, water boils and becomes vapor. So the water boils and becomes vapor, and the thermometer measures the temperature of the vapor. So this thermometer function is to measure the temperature of the vapor when the water boils and becomes vapor. So the thermometer measures the temperature of the vapor. Then third one is water vapor is cooled. Now this water vapor is cooled and condenses into pure liquid, that is distillate. Okay, so now this water vapor is cooled and condenses into a pure liquid, that is distillate. Then point 4, you can see the salt solution becomes more concentrated. Now the salt solution is becoming more concentrated as the distillation continues. As the distillation continues, as it getting vaporized. Okay, so the solution becomes the solution then becomes too much concentrated, and salt will be collected as residue, and these salts will be collected as residue. So last point, you can see pure water is collected as distillate, right? So last one, you can see pure water is collected as distillate. So again I repeat the process of simple distillation of salt solution. First, what they have done, they have taken a boiling chip and are added to ensure smooth boiling, and water vapor rises and enters the condenser. Next, the boiled water and becomes vapor. Okay, so water boils, so the water gets boiled and becomes vapor, and the thermometer measures the temperature of the vapor. Next, the water vapor is cooled and condensed into a pure liquid, that is distillate. Fourth is the salt solution become more concentrated as the distillation continues, so salt will be collected as residue. And fifth one is pure water is collected as distillate. So this is the process by which simple distillation of salt solution is done. You have to draw these apparatus, okay, and you have to write these steps in your copy. Understood? Next day I'll check. So student, these are the homework questions. Draw and explain the process of distillation. So what is homework is draw and explain the process of distillation. You have to draw these apparatus. You have to draw this apparatus, entire apparatus you have to draw, and you have to write this step one by one. Okay, so this was all about the entire process of distillation. So again I repeat, what is distillation? The simple distillation is used to separate the pure solvent, that is liquid, from a solution. Okay, so what is distillation? It is used to separate a pure solvent, that is liquid, from a solution. Examples, three examples you can see: the extraction of water from seawater, or extraction of water from a sodium chloride solution, that is a salt, and extraction of water from a sugar solution. So one experiment I have shown, that is extraction of water from salt, that is sodium chloride. So you can see the simple distillation of a extraction of water from a salt solution. This is the apparatus, and you have to draw it, and you have to write all the functions. All the functions means all the steps one by one is given. All the steps are given, 1 2 3 4 5, it's labeled. So you'll copy it down serially, and you have to draw this. I'll check this next day. So this is your homework: draw and explain the process of distillation. Thank you students, this was all about the entire video lecture. You have discussed about the topic distillation. The entire process of distillation was explained, and it is from the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomujit sir, signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.